10 natural ways to increase serotonin. Serotonin is a neurotransmitter, brain chemical, that is associated with mood. In actuality, the bulk of antidepressant medications is designed to increase serotonin availability in the brain. Raising serotonin levels is supposed to improve mood and so reduce depression. Antidepressant medicines are not the only way to increase serotonin levels. Here are several natural ways to boost serotonin levels and, hopefully, improve mood. 1. Get enough sunlight. Sunlight is required for serotonin synthesis. In the lack of it, serotonin production is hampered. 2. Consume meals rich in B vitamins. All B vitamins, particularly vitamins B6 and B12, are required for serotonin synthesis. B vitamins can be found in vegetables and whole grains. 3. Get plenty of rest. Serotonin concentrations are reduced when people don't get enough sleep. As a result, getting 7 to 9 hours of sleep is critical for maintaining a positive attitude. 4. Exercise. One of the reasons exercise is supposed to boost mood is because it raises serotonin levels. 5. Consume healthy fats, especially omega-3 fats. Although omega-3 fatty acids, such as fish oil, do not directly increase serotonin levels, they do make cells more receptive to serotonin. This boosts serotonin's efficacy. 6. Use serotonin booster pills. Several botanicals and nutraceuticals can boost serotonin levels. The most well-known is St. John's wort. Saffron, on the other hand, can boost serotonin levels. Saffron has been demonstrated to be a powerful natural antidepressant. 7. Lower your stress levels. High quantities of the stress hormone cortisol can reduce serotonin levels. So lowering stress levels and practicing more effective stress management techniques are critical. Learning relaxation methods and/or meditation is unquestionably beneficial. 8. Avoid fast food. Eating processed, refined, and unhealthy meals cause inflammation in the body. Serotonin levels are reduced by inflammation. Eating a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean protein, whole grains, herbs/spices, and healthy fats is therefore essential. 9. Consume lean protein on a regular basis. Tryptophan, an amino acid, is used to synthesize serotonin, derived from protein. As a result, it is critical that you consume high-protein meals on a daily basis. Chicken, fish, turkey, meat, eggs, and beans are examples. 10. Keep a healthy weight. Serotonin levels can be reduced by excess body fat. This is due to the fact that fat cells are pro-inflammatory. As previously indicated, inflammation reduces serotonin levels.